Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to day 2 for us here at Monterey Car Week. And we start today with 4 special hypercars behind me. First of all, we've got here's the McLaren P1 Lansante Motorsport, a limited track edition where only 5 of them were made. It got the modified 4-liter V8 motor. It's like a more extreme version of the already absolute mental P1. And next to it, we've got this McLaren P1 Spider, also from Lansante Motorsport. They built 5 of these, and they're also doing some like kind of modifications to the doors and stuff right now. This has just the 3.8 liter V8 normal engine, hybrid power. It also has like a modified steering wheel and more carbon fiber options to make it more lightweight and extreme. Just look at the size of that front lip, full carbon fiber, and the holes where the airflow can run through the engine itself to cool it off. I've got the P1 Spider matching with, of course, the McLaren Elva with well over 804 horsepower. Very nice, matching specifications. And the final of the squad is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I think the only one street legal in the US, one of 20 in total. They made sure to use carbon fiber all over the place. Even the dashboard is non-existing with limited usage here. And yes, the front hood is missing. It's a bit further over here. They're doing some modifications. Pretty weird seeing it off the car right now. That Sesto Elemento almost got rear-ended yesterday as another Aventador pulls up. He hit like a small curb and maybe they now need to change some technical things inside of the car. We are now at Bonham's car to check out the preview for the auction. Let's go in. Inside we have a lot of hypercars on display for auction. We first start here with this Pagani Huayra Roadster. It's absolutely beautiful. Next to it we've got the Pagani Huayra R track version. Sounds mental. We heard this one at Supercar Owner Circle in Croatia. This thing is mentally loud. We even have 3 Bugattis for auction. Here we've got the Bugatti Divo, the Bugatti Supersport, which has like this nice green carbon fiber and a black carbon fiber in the back. Absolutely clean classic spec. And then next to it the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. And a lot of these cars are actually auctioned by some dude who did a fraud scam. He told people he could sell like hyper performance cars overseas for like X5, X10 the value, and people started investing. And instead he just bought these cars and now we got exposed. And that's why they are being sold in this auction. Estimated value around 3.4 million. This one a little less for 3.1 million. The Apollo IA for around 3 million as well. So if you have a couple of bucks left, make sure to come by at the auction. Both of these are like 4 million each, and the Bugatti Divo itself is like 8 million. So you could buy 2 of these for the price of one of these. You can buy this Koenigsegg Regera for around $2.5 million estimated price. I mean, then you've got a Swedish hypercar, so why not? Just grab a couple of bucks and you're good to go. Look at this beast, how low it is. And of course the body, a full carbon fiber. Yo, estimated of around only $20,000. I could swap my Miata for this. Wouldn't this be baller driving around in this instead of the Miata? We could go like 20 kilometers per hour or something. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. I mean, what did this thing went through? Look at how dirty and trash this car is. If anyone needs a project car, go for it, man. Man, and just look at this McLaren 570S in this bright orange. It looks absolutely beautiful. And for around 100k, this is actually a very good deal. This is one of the most favorite supercars that I ever drove. It just feels so like a spaceship actually. It's like a baby P1. This actually comes second on my list of the best supercars I've ever driven. Of course the first one is Huracan Evo, because a V10, well, you can't really argue with that. We managed to catch up with Supercar Owner Circle. What? McLaren Senna Countach, kind of a tuned Porsche here. Oh no, they're turning right. Well, we hunted down Supercar Owner Circle here and they've brought a nice hypercar convoy here. We've got SP3, SP2, Pagani Zonda S, F40, 458. And just casual, CC-X again. We're now waiting for the hypercars to start their engine and, well yeah, accelerate that way. Thing pops. I've got a Pagani Zonda S as well. I think the final hypercar is. Ooh, that's a new Ferrari F80. Nice. The last 296 was also a Speciale, so the newer, more extreme version of the 296, which already was extreme. We're going to follow them to the next shoot location. And a Carrera GT as well. Man, Car Week is alive. We managed to hunt them down. Wow, just look at that. Ferrari F80 with these Monterey views. Sorry. Well, there you have it, guys. LaFerrari replacement. Looks actually insane in real life. Being followed by the 296 Speciale and the Roma Spider, of course. F12 and Largo and a looks like a 765. I don't know. Here in America, you see lots of like lower model cars with like kits to look like the higher end cars, as a 750 or a 720 pulled by. Like, you don't know it these days. We're back at the Inn Hotel. We've got an F40 parking next to the F50. That thing sounds proper. And we even have another Pagani Huayra Roadster. This thing is a proper artwork. I'm just speechless about all these cars. I don't know what to say about everything, but man, look at that blue carbon fiber. This is beautiful. Man, Monterey keeps on surprising us. We've got the Pagani Zonda R, which is not even street legal, yet it's just standing here. And of course the normal Huayra as well. Just slight differences. Man, I'm feeling a bit too tired to actually vlog, so I'm just going to take a nap and, well, yeah, film some flybys of some cars. I'll see you guys when I have a bit more energy. I'm sorry. We just finished dinner here in Monterey. I had the best ribs I've eaten in a while, and look, behind me we've got a Ferrari SP3 all the way from Montana. Very nice. Already the third SP3 we're seeing this Monterey trip. Looks very classy in this grey color. Grey stripes. This must be some kind of a special Ferrari. Everyone's taking pictures of it. If you know what this Ferrari is, let me know in the comments down below. Would love to know, because I don't know. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was Monterey Car Week Day 2. We are here till Sunday, leaving to Belgium next Monday. But yeah, from now on we will be enjoying Monterey Car Week for a few more days. So thank you all for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.